Stem cells have already begun to cure people with seemingly incurable medical conditions. These miraculous cells are already responsible for curing a list of problems, including spinal cord injury, neurological disorders like Alzheimer's and Parkinson's disease, and producing insulin for those with pancreatic beta cell mutations. Stem cell research has progressed in the last 40 years, but there stands a controversy on the usage of stem cells for treatment. Stem cells are human cells that have the ability to differentiate and divide into many different cell types. They also have the ability to regenerate damaged tissue, like neurons in the spinal cord or joint tissue. For example, if a patient needs a new auricular cartilage for their ear, their stem cells, auricular molds, and specific growth factors can direct the stem cells to turn into chondrocytes within the 3D mold of an auricle. This is only one of many examples where stem cells can be used to create new pieces of the human body. Nerve cells can be tested for drugs that may help repair neurons and for nerve diseases like cerebral palsy or carpal tunnel syndrome. The cons give valid points with exactly how far are we going to go with it. Are we going to start changing things such as eye color, IQ, hair color, etc.? Where will we stop with the technology we are creating? These endeavors are said to play God in genetic engineering. But I think the pros are very self-explanatory to use stem cells and differentiate them to replace cells that are damaged or lost due to aging and disease. This process is termed regenerative or reparative medicine. If we could continually replace all cells in our body, we could potentially extend the human lifespan. We can't do the research without funding, which ties into politics. They are restricting the research to what we can do, slowing down the production of more information. Restrictions create more guidelines and less financial support for stem cell research. If we expect to make true strides within this field, we need funding in order to make this happen. Stem cells are a very controversial topic today because of the moral and financial implications of the use of embryos and the cost of potential therapies. The development of regenerative therapy to continue, the research necessary to inhibit tumor growth, post-implantation, stem cell research is a growing field. The potential benefits of stem cells include therapies for neurodegenerative diseases, arthritis, cystic fibrosis, and the chance to test new drugs for safety. Ultimately, stem cell research is making revolutionary medicine and curing the incurable. Thank you.